Kasi real talk, madali lang naman talaga matuto mag-DJ, di ba? Yung mahirap is, paano mo ba may express yung sarili mo bilang isang DJ? Over 25 years na ako nag-DJ and marami na ako nakitang DJs na sumikat, tapos nawala, and marami na ako nakitang mga DJs na nagkaroon ng staying power na hanggang ngayon, kaya pa rin nila tumugtog at may demand pa rin for them. And maraming factors ang magdedetermine ng shelf life mo bilang isang DJ, but the one factor that can increase your chances of having a longer DJ career is originality. Ibig sabihin, kakaiba ka ba? Mahirap bang gayahin yung style mo, whether that's your style of mixing or your style of performing? If you can figure this out, you increase your chances of having a longer DJ career. Kung may original style of performing ka, mahirap siyang gayahin or walang ibang nagbabalak na gayahin ka, that makes you stand out, and also it's easier for people to remember you, to recognize you, and pati yung mga event organizers, mas magiging top of mind ka pagdating sa mga bookings. And itong search for your originality, parte yan ng pagiging isang artist, and hindi siya agad magagawa. It would take months, years, sometimes even decades. Isa siyang journey.